Hey everyone! I couldn't find much info on how to easily connect two AirPods to the same device, so I thought I'd share with you. Just connect them the regular way, so they show up in your Bluetooth options. You can see I have my AirPods here and the other AirPods here. If you need to connect a new set of AirPods, all you have to do is press the button on the back and hold it. And if nothing's coming up, just try opening up the case as well. So here we're playing some music. You can connect it through here. Just like that. Or if you have a different way to play music, go to the top here and then press that button. And here, same thing, you can select both options here. The first time I did it, it only selected one option, cut the other option off. So you do have to try it a couple times, but maybe reset your Bluetooth and it'll work for sure. I hope this video helped. Like this video to show your support and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Thanks and have a great day. Cheers.